Hello, I'm Jason with Cerakote, and today we are going to talk about the IWATA LPH80. This is the HVLP spray gun used exclusively by our training department and what we recommend for professional Cerakote application. We selected this spray gun because of the versatility it offers, the availability of replacement parts, and the wide range of fluid nozzles ranging from 0.4 to 1.2. In this video, we'll explain the LPH80 adjustments and introduce settings for common Cerakote spray patterns. Let's start with the spray gun controls. At the very bottom is an air adjustment knob which regulates inlet air pressure. The top adjustment knob is the pattern or fan adjustment. This regulates airflow through the air cap, adjusting fan pattern width. Just below that is the fluid adjustment knob, which regulates the fluid needle travel, controlling fluid flow through the nozzle. When this knob is closed, no fluid will flow. We recommend starting with the air adjustment knob wide open and then setting the wall-mounted regulator to the appropriate pressure for your coating. It's important to understand that while you can make individual adjustments to each knob, they all work together to create the desired outcome. For example, opening the fan pattern knob will not increase the fan width linearly without also adjusting the fluid knob. It's also worth noting, the numbers on the adjustment knobs are for reference only and don't indicate a specific value. Now, with the knob closed, select a number and reference its position for each adjustment. Another important control to point out is the LPH80's two-stage trigger. When pulling the trigger, you'll first hit stage 1, which is air only. Pull more and you'll reach stage 2, which is air and fluid. Let's connect the air hose to the spray gun. Engage the trigger into stage 1 and open the air inlet knob fully. You will know it is fully open when you no longer hear it regulating airflow. This is usually about 3 turns. With the trigger still engaged into stage 1, let's adjust the pressure on the regulator to the appropriate pressure for your coating. For the purpose of this video, we'll leave the air inlet knob fully open, but start with the fan and fluid adjustment knobs fully closed by turning them clockwise until they're snug. Now, do not over-tighten the adjustment knobs as it can damage the internal components. For general coverage with Cerakote, we recommend starting with a 2 to 3 inch wide oval. We'll open the pattern adjustment knob by 1 full turn and the fluid adjustment knob by 2 full turns. The air adjustment knob should still be fully open. The pattern created should be an oval shape that's 2 to 3 inches wide horizontally while spraying from a distance of 3 to 5 inches away. This is the pattern setup you'll use the majority of the time. This horizontal spray pattern is needed when spraying vertically hanging parts in an up and down fashion. If you want to spray horizontally, you'll simply just turn the air cap 90 degrees so that the spray pattern is a vertical oval. You can also dial down the pattern and fluid adjustments to achieve a small oval or bullet point pattern. These can be used to conserve coating for smaller projects and for coating the inside of hard to reach areas. Now, if your spray booth environment is outside of the recommended humidity and temperature ranges for Cerakote application, you may also need to make adjustments to the fluid and air settings. We suggest hanging a large pad of paper in your spray booth for testing your spray patterns. And I recommend spending a little time here practicing adjustments so that you have known setups for anything that lands in your booth. That's it for the IWATA LPH80 adjustments. Be sure to clean your LPH80 as soon as you're finished spraying to prevent coating from clogging up the components. We'll link our disassembly and cleaning guide below. Check out our YouTube page for application guides and more helpful videos. If you have any additional questions, please contact our support team at technicalsupport@cerakote.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.